अगर सर्वे कर रहे हो तो you can acknowledge your public whatever, but you may skip certain parts of this list also, like introduction. It is compulsory that you have to introduce the topic, whatever topic you are taking. जैसे मैम ने अभी वेस्ट वाटर ट्रीटमेंट लिया, you can include that also. So you have to introduce that topic, what exactly it means, and then statement of problem. So what will be there in statement of problem? So it will be in, this statement of problem is nothing but a part of introduction only. So what is your topic? Why you have chosen that topic? Then how you are going to produce? Then where, there is a possibility that you may be doing this on by searching on net. So where will not come? So it will be depending on your topic. What sort of things will come under this? But then statement of problem is should be there, like what is your topic? Wastewater treatment. Why you have chosen this? Because lot of wastewater is being generated in our day to day life, and considering the uh, requirement of water for potable as well as recreational and other purposes, it is necessary to recycle it. Recycle करना हमें जरूरी है, and even for potable purpose also we are filtering the water, हम filtered water use कर रहे हैं. So that all those things will come. Then how, so how में आपके questions आएंगे, like what methods are being used for this treatment purpose. There might be one, जैसे मैम ने अभी एक ओजोनेशन बताया आपको, या प्राइमरी ट्रीटमेंट में जस्ट यू कैन रिमूव द ऑब्जर्वेबल वेस्ट, जैसे फिजिकल जो वेस्ट दिखता है, वुडन लॉक्स है, प्लास्टिक्स है, सो दैट विल कम हियर. देन प्रोसीजर, तो प्रोसीजर में क्या आएगा, व्हाट विल कम इन प्रोसीजर, व्हाट मेथड यू फॉलोड टू कलेक्ट ऑल दिस डेटा. आपने ये सारा इंफॉर्मेशन कहाँ से लिया है. सो यू कैन राइट दैट वी हैव डन दिस इंटरनेट सर्वे, या यू कैन राइट दैट सपोज इफ यू आर surveying any your surrounding area, जैसे आप you can choose 5-10 households and then you can ask them how you are using your water, whether you are doing. See, this wastewater treatment can be done at home also. Many households they have employed this method so that the water which is recycled can be used for their gardens. So that method that can also come under this method. So you can do a survey sort of, or you can include whether they are aware of it or not. You can include awareness survey also. So here if you are doing any survey, it will include your questionnaire, because you will have to prepare a questionnaire. You can just you can so it will come under this. Then results. So in results, suppose if you have just done a survey, whether your surroundings or the households which are there in your neighborhood, they are aware of this or not. So you can write that this many people were, or this many households were aware of it, or this many households were employing this. And then application. So what will be application of your data? तो आपने अगर डेटा आपका है, अगर आया है, तो एप्लीकेशन जैसे सपोज आपने 10 हाउस होल्ड सर्वे किए, आपके किसी फ्रेंड ने और दूसरे, इफ वी कंसीडर नागपुर, एंड इफ योर फ्रेंड्स हैव surveyed households from say 10 corners of the city, then we can say that this will help us to give a picture of the city, how the waste is being recycled in our city, wastewater is being recycled in our city. तो ये एक पिक्चर दे सकता है. एंड देन रेफरेंसेस विल इंक्लूड all those sites or all those papers which you have used to prepare your introduction. Then result में आप जैसे आपने आपको कुछ मिला है and you have taken support of some other data to support that particular statement, so that can come under references. या आपने कोई picture लिया है, of course if possible you can take your own pictures, but if you have taken picture from any site or any book, then you have to include that under references. And then another question remains whether it has to be typed. So as of now it has to be typed on paper. आप मतलब माइक्रोसॉफ्ट डॉक्यूमेंट में जैसे ये मैंने आपको टाइप करके दिखाया है, यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर इट इन दैट फॉर्मेट ओनली. Okay, is it clear? Then it
Yes,
has
ma'am.
to be a
Yes,
project of
ma'am.
minimum 25 pages, max to max you can increase it up to 50 pages. Soft copy बनानी है, you will be given a link. मतलब BA people will get a separate link, for BSc will be generating a separate list, sorry link. Similarly for BCA also will be generating a separate link. So आपको Google Form की अलग अलग link मिलेगी and you are supposed to submit that in your respective link. BA का जो भी होगा BA में भेजना है, BSc का जो भी होगा BSc में, और BCA का जो भी होगा वो उसी में जाएगा. ठीक है?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
What is the deadline for the assignments?
See, in last class only I had told you that 28th Feb. This is what I am telling you because we really are not aware when your exam will be taken, but जब तक ये classes चल रहे हैं you can submit it by that time. So you keep your target for 28th February.
Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
So I hope all of you have taken a screenshot of this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you can start leaving. We'll meet on Friday with a new speaker.